Today we're going to show you how to use iDentify on iCleverTech.com. With iDentify, you're going to start off with the basics. What are reference numbers? We use 4 reference numbers. We use the model number, EMC number, serial number, and IMEI. The model number usually starts with an A and is also usually located on the back of the device. There are 2 ways that I would recommend taking down the reference numbers. These guys are really small. You're going to want to use, if you have handy, a magnifying glass, or snap a quick pic and zoom in. So we're going to start off with our most popular repair, the MacBook. On MacBooks, any year from 2012 and up, you could actually use the EMC number, and it's only a 4-digit number. It's located on the bottom of your Mac. If you happen to have a MacBook from the year 2012 and older, you'll have a DVD slot. So if you happen to have a DVD slot, you're going to want to use the serial number. If you have an iPhone 7 or below, like the 6S, 6 Plus, 5 models, you could find the reference numbers on the back of the device. You're going to want to use the model number for this. Anything newer like the 8 Plus, the iPhone X, XS, the 11s, these do not have any reference numbers on the outer casing. You're definitely going to want to use the IMEI number. You could find the IMEI number located in the SIM slot. So you're just going to want to eject that SIM. iPads. You can use the model number on this device. Model number is located on the back of the device for the iPad. iMacs. On the iMacs, the EMC number is going to be the best way to reference the iMac to get that year and model. The EMC number is located on the bottom of the stand on every iMac.